set, go. Amazing. Just what we wanted. Give a take. Fresh with the smoke. Welcome to Aspen Cooking, my friends. Today we'll be preparing glazed white fish. We're going to glaze it with beer sauce. Let's get cooking. First thing first, let's get going with our garlic. Ginger. If you have fresh one, use fresh one. I'm using just regular canned. I'm gonna use about, I don't know, a tablespoon, maybe a half a tablespoon. Boom, just like that. Next thing's up, I have some olive oil. The oil goes in. Sesame seeds, I have black and white ones. Boom, right in. A tablespoon of brown sugar goes right in. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Well, I can tell you at the very beginning that it's going to be the beer glaze sauce, right? Or beer based. So here it comes. 1/4 cup, give or take. Fresh with a smoke. Put this guy on the heat, and we are going to mix it frequently and reduce it until the sauce turns into thick glaze, and that's what we're looking for. Okay. All right, so once we glaze our fish, we're going to send it into the oven on broil. I set mine to high, and yeah, so the oven is getting preheated right now. Видела, нет?
Нет.
Не видела? Almost explosion happened. Guys, 6 minutes have passed. Here's the kind of consistency we're able to achieve. One thing that I forgot to film for you is I needed about a teaspoon of starch. Regular cornstarch, nothing special. But now our glaze is fully ready. Consistency we wanted, and guess what, we're going to add it to our fish, but not all of it, just enough to coat the fish. Send it to broil. Can't let good beer go to waste. For myself, a glass. I'm gonna use some chives. Just gonna chop these babies up finely. That is just for decorations. Ready, set, go. Amazing. Just what we wanted. Now, here's the trick. We're going to reglaze it on top with the remainder of our glaze. Guys, for serving this fish as a side dish, I would recommend risotto. Ooh, hot. And I'm going to link or drop a link like right here and one in the description, so you guys can watch we made a risotto. Turned out to be a great success. But let's plate it. glazed white fish is ready, guys. Will go perfect with this beer. Risotto, as I have mentioned. Let's give this guy a try. Delicious. It's a little bit sweet, has tangy taste from ginger. Overall, very classy, very mild taste. Super delicious. Strongly recommend. It took like what, 20 minutes with a prep, you know, to make this. Amazing. If you guys like what you see, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos for you. Cheers, my friends. For you, our viewers.